Welcome to Toontown Episode 2. Oh, well, never mind. Welcome to Toontown Episode 2. As you may have noticed that this is on another account. Well, this doesn't have membership, but it used to. And now we'll go on this dog because I don't really want to go on the dog. I think I just went on my duck. What the heck? I didn't click on it.
Epic fail.
Shut up. I'm just trying to see. Oh, well, no. It's a good thing I didn't do it. Oh, it's Series 2 coming out. This is my doodle. It looks like a piece of crap, doesn't it? Alright, so I'm going to show you my estate. I've been everywhere except Dreamland, Cashbot, and Wobot HQ. Oh yeah, I know a pretty good glitch for BossBot HQ. I have it on my other channel, which is called Peanut the Toon. I'm a ninja. This is my iTunes doodle. As you can see, it has 103 laughs and awesome gags. This is my doodle called Tacos. That was kind of random. Alright, this is my horse, and I wanted to get it to get a cream pie, so that's why I don't have any scores. And this is my doodle called Yummy. Fiddle Fuddy! Fiddle Fuddy! Alright, I think that's all right. Oh yeah, I remember I made this account, this Toontown called Torture. And this is my wow. This is a failure garden. It's like all wilted. Looks like a twister hit this place. Let's go inside. Alright, this is like the coolest house ever. As you can see. I'm not sure if I have it set up right. Yeah, it seems empty. Watch this. See this buffalo painting? Mwahaha. Look at this. This is Pony. Oh yeah, I'm wearing a skirt. Oh wait, there's a pumpkin. Oh yeah, this is Bob. Bob is awesome. He rocks my socks. Alright, so I'm going to show you something really cool. Whee! What the heck? Bear with me here. Alright. This is my awesomely cool. Look, it's a trolley bit. What the heck? Never mind. Never mind. Did you know that laughter increases your lifespan? Quote, Mrs. Name withheld. This is Fred, Bob's angry brother. And this is my other room. It is so awesomely cool. Whee! Race cars! Oh yeah! Hi, Bob.
Get out!
Another echo in the hallway.
This is my flippy costume. I don't exactly have a Minnie's nose range, so it's not really exact. But it's pretty close. Whoa, it's a Freddy Krueger shirt! Awesome! Okay. Phone's ringing. You do the math, Andre. Please? If you're wondering why I have the speed check on set pink, don't ask me. I have no idea. Alright, I think we're just out of time, so this concludes the episode. Say goodbye, Bob.
No!